Vocabulary. Energy, power, or strength to do things. I have energy after I eat breakfast. Fresh, clean, cool, or new, like air or food. I like fresh air in the morning. Together, with another person or people. We eat dinner together every day. Finish. To complete or end something. I finish my homework at 6 o'clock. Routine. The usual way you do things every day. My routine is to wake up early. Cereal. A breakfast food made from grains, eaten with milk. I eat cereal for breakfast every morning. Tasks. Jobs or work you need to do. I do my tasks at school every day. Activity 1. Complete the blank line with a word. Activity 2. Unscramble the words. Reading. Read the following story about Bob. Hi, my name's Bob. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I feel happy. I always get dressed fast. I wear a blue shirt and jeans. Then I have breakfast. I usually eat cereal with milk. I never forget breakfast because it gives me energy. After breakfast, I go to work on my bike. I like the fresh air. At work, I talk with my friends. We do tasks together. Sometimes I have free time at lunch. I read a book or walk. Today, I drink coffee with a friend. It is fun. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I go home and feel good. In the evening, I have free time. I usually watch TV or listen to music. I never stay up late. I always go to bed at 10 o'clock. I like to sleep early to feel good tomorrow. My day is busy, but nice. I like my routine. It has work and rest. I'm happy to talk about my day. It makes me see my life is good. Activity 1. Answer the questions with true or false. Does Bob usually eat eggs for breakfast? Does Bob go to work on a bike? Does Bob talk with friends at work? Does Bob play soccer during free time at lunch? Does Bob drink coffee with a friend? Does Bob go to bed at 9 o'clock? Does Bob feel happy about his day? Activity 2. Put the pictures in the correct order. You have 1 minute. Activity 3. Choose the correct answer. What time does Bob wake up? What does Bob usually eat for breakfast? How does Bob go to work? What does Bob do during free time at lunch? Who does Bob drink coffee with? What time does Bob go to bed? Good job. See you next lesson where we'll practice listening.